Hello, traders out there in Traderland. My name's Des Woodruff, analyst and mentor here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, January 19th, 2011, and the markets. Oh boy, they come tumbling down. We have the Dow down, not by much, 0.11%. But check this out. The S&P down over 1%, almost 1.5% on the NASDAQ to the downside, and the Russell's down 2.6%. I think some of you will remember that I was telling you to watch out for this, seeing when you have the small cap starting to take these big hits, but the large cap not taking as big of a hit. That's warning. Those are that's thunder in the distance. So we want to keep a very close eye on this. Out of the gates all day today, the banks were lagging the broad markets. For you day traders out there, you'll notice that the trend TRIN was actually bullish throughout the morning. However, we had net volume going negative, and that net volume, along with the bank's pressure, was too much pressure for the market, so the market started taking a nosedive. We got a little bit of a drop here. I'll give you a little boom, not a big one, but we got a little boom to the downside, and that's just a little profit taking here, a little bit of fear in the markets. After all, the VIX was up 9%, but we're still within this channel. If I draw a couple lines here coming up, I mean, look where we close. It's not by accident. We're still within this channel, so there's a really good chance to actually see a bounce going into tomorrow. Why? Because we're at support. When you hit support, you bounce. Hit support, you bounce. Hit support, you bounce. However, if we don't see that bounce take place, we're in a lot of trouble. We need to really get over 1283. I'm glad to see that we stayed above 1280 in the markets. Now, I'm going to interject something. I'm going to give away. I got a lot more technical analysis I want to show you, but I'm going to add this in right now because I'm thinking about it. This is for all you Mac people. There's a bunch of you out there. A lot of you, if you're not a Mac person, but you have iTunes, I'm asking for a favor, and for your favor, I'm going to give you a gift. Matter of fact, I did a little gift giveaway that I mailed out just yesterday to my forum subscribers who participated, and they are all getting a Grok Trade coffee mug cup. So pretty cool. They were mailed out yesterday, so to all you, be looking for them the next day or two. All right, but this is what we are. We now have podcasts. These are all free. All you do is go over here to Store and then iTunes Store. Click on iTunes Store, and then up here in the corner, type in Grok Trade. Grok Trade. Hit enter. Grok Trade pops up. I need 2 things from you. If you do these 2 things, I will give you a gift. First, you want to click on subscribe right here. Subscribe. Second thing I need you to do is add a review. Click on Grok Trade. Once you click on Grok Trade, this is going to pop up where you start listening to all these videos. But this is what you need to do. Give me a great rating here. Click on that. Oh, I need to sign in first. You got to sign in, a great rating, and then give a review. Oh, we have one already. Fantastic. This is great. So, and then add or write a review. Once you write a review, what I need you to do is just go to our website. Once you go to our website, go to contact us and tell me that you wrote a review for the podcast. If so, all I need is your address. Put your address in there, and I will take care of you. All right, back to technical analysis. Here, I want to show you something. I'm going to go to a 60-minute chart, and let's go to the spiders. I want to show you this. We have this nice trend on a 60-minute chart, right? Nice trend heading up. But look what has happened right here, right there. See that? It's a rolling over. See the wedge now? See that wedge? Tight little wedge. If I were to do another line from this swing to this swing, right there, look at that wedge. It went into this wedge, then it went into this big wedge, and then it came down. What was acting as support now is acting as resistance, and then came crashing down. So when you learn to start drawing these lines correctly, you can start to see when things are starting to break down in the markets. If I go here to the NASDAQ, I'm going to go to a daily. You can see here we're starting to drop. We're at some moving averages, but we do have some support coming up. On the Russells, remember I was telling you yesterday we had a tweezer top, very bearish with a hanging man. Look at this, boom, big drop. But look at this, we're at this major trend line that we've been watching for a while. Stops right at it. Good chance of a bounce here, but look at the rising wedge, bearish divergence. If we break that, we're in for a little bit of a ride to the downside. So we need to see the U.S. government, Fed, start to buy up some government bonds pretty quick, or there's going to be fear set in, and we're going to see some droppage taking place. Because after all, the banks did lose almost 2.7% today alone. That is huge. So, a question for you. Do you want me to be your mentor for life? Do you want me to take you in under my wing to teach you how to trade and to be here for as long as you want me to be here for you, where we work in close contact to help you become a rock star trader? If so, I have a mentorship starting this weekend, and if you want to be a part of that, go to meetthementors.com, watch the video. From there, fill out the form. We'll contact you, and I'll have you talk directly with somebody that's been through the program before. Have you talk with Carolina, who's an associate here. You'll have a chance to speak with her directly. Take care. Safe trading to you. We'll talk to you tomorrow.